Thank you for tuning in to my video product review channel. This is a new product, and this is a fascinating idea. I believe it's called Feit Electric. I've done product reviews on some of their other items. This is a 100-watt bulb, uses 17.5 watts. Of course, we no longer use the incandescent bulb. These are LED. The thing that makes this fascinating is it's a choose your shade of white, and I'm going to get to that in a minute. It's a 4-pack, a 21 LED. It's just a standard bulb, and it's dimmable. Now, what makes this different than all the other bulbs, besides choosing your shade of white? We see this over here. This is absolutely a game changer as far as I'm concerned. Let's go 2700. So normally when you buy a light bulb nowadays, the older style bulbs were the soft white. It's kind of the old incandescent yellow bulb. You would purchase, it would be 2700K for the newer bulbs. Or you would buy a daylight type that would be 5,000. What this bulb does, and we're going to test it out, is it gives you an option with the switch. The soft white, the brighter white. I don't really like either one of these, but it's okay. The 4,000, I've never really seen the 4,000. I like the daylight. I like the 5,000. This also has the 6,500, the cool daylight. So the way they do that is it has a little switch on the side. And I don't know if you can flip the switch while the light bulb's on or if you'll blow the thing out. We're going to check that out in a minute. We might even read the instructions. But this is awesome. You don't have to go buy 2,700 for some of the rooms and then 5,000 for the other rooms. You just buy one light bulb. I don't remember what I paid for this. It wasn't that, the price wasn't that ridiculous. And you get the option of changing the light from soft all the way up to cool daylight. These are the limited warranty over there, how it complies, responsible party, Pico Rivera, California. Okay, so do we have any instructions on here? No, it just says you have your choice. You see the brightness, you see the cool white. If I can find an affiliate link for this, I will leave it in my video description. If you click on it, it will help me out, give me a few cents, and if I can't, go out and find these somewhere. These were purchased at Costco. But go try to find these new style lights that give you an option to choose your shade of white. Let's take them out of the box and we'll put them on a lamp and see what happens. Here we have the famous unboxing that everybody loves. Let's take one bulb out. These are large bulbs. These are about the same size as the same size and weight as the standard bulb without the option. Let's look at the switch that we have over here right now. Just a standard bulb. Kind of hard to zoom in on this thing. We have 2,700, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 6,500. Attention, we have an attention thing. Comments. Caution, suitable for damp locations. Very nice. Suitable for in. This is this is a great light. Not only is it suitable for damp locations, but it's suitable for use in enclosed luminaries. What that means is if you have a light, like a bathroom light, and it's got a maybe a ceiling fixture, and it's got a cover, an enclosed cover, normally bulbs would get really hot. The older incandescent would get very hot. But the older LEDs, they would get too hot, and you weren't supposed to put them in an enclosed luminary, in an enclosed light. This is made for that. Let's test the switch on here. Very nice movable switch. Let's get a light and a lamp and we'll test it out. So it's kind of hard to tell because of the way the camera works. This lamp is extremely bright. It's a very bright LED and it's too bright at night and it's very annoying. So let's plug the new light bulb in and test it out. That's the new bulb. If I was in a dark room, it would be a little bit easier, but when you're recording a color of a light, it's very hard to see what it looks like on a camera. Ooh, whoa, is that bright? That is bright. Let's go in the other direction. Okay. I think you can see the difference. Okay, so this is the kind of light This is definitely a bright, but a yellow, a soft white, as they would call it. This is the soft white. This is the 2700. And I'm just gonna, again, it's very hard to tell with a camera, but I'm just gonna move to the next one. That made it a little brighter, a little less yellow. That is the, let's skip back there. Let's go to the full bright. That is bright white. That is bright light, 6500. It's extremely, can you see it on my hand? That's when you start to see it a little better. Okay, here we go. You can see the yellowish on my hand, the yellow tint. Next, 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 and this should be, this is the full white, and this is the yellow. I like the 5000. The 6500 would be very good. You could use these for video lighting. If you are a YouTuber, if you make your own videos, this would be great. You wouldn't have to go out and spend a fortune on lighting. You've got control of your lights. Just find a fixture, put in a few of these bulbs, light up the room with the right tint, the right color, the soft white or the bright white, the cool day light. This is a game changer as far as I'm concerned, as far as lighting. This is the LED light that I've been using forever. Big, heavy, very hot. And I don't need to use this anymore. I can just use one of these lightweight, much smaller bulbs. Gives me an option for the light color. I totally recommend this. Again, if I can find an affiliate link, I will post it in my video description. Make sure you check out my channel for all my other videos. And thank you for watching.